In this video, we will see how to calculate running total in Excel. There are two methods of doing this and we will see both the methods. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let us start. I have prepared an example where I have months of the year and corresponding sales in each month. Our objective here is to calculate running totals of sales besides each month. So to achieve this, type equal to in cell C3 and then click on cell B3 and press enter. This will get you the sales of first month in running total. Since this is the first month of running total, it will obviously be same as the sales of first month. Next, in cell C4, type equal to, then select cell C3, type plus and select cell B4 and press enter. So now you have total sales of first 2 months. We are pretty much done here. The final step is just to copy this cell C4 and paste it in the remaining cells of the column, and that is it. We have running sales total besides each month. Now let us look at the alternate method. Type equal to sum in cell D3. Open bracket, type B3 colon B3 and close the bracket. Now click on first B3 and hit F4 to freeze this cell and press enter. Now copy this cell D3 and paste it in the remaining cells of the column and you are done. Doesn't matter whether you like, share, subscribe or not, but what matters is that you keep learning.